morning, people. Life never seems to be the way we want it, but we live it the best way we can. There is no perfect life, but we can fill it with the perfect moments. So, today is the last day of this shredding program. Let's start the workout. So, it's shredding day 12, and the first exercise is prisoner squats. Stand with your legs slightly wider than hip width apart, your feet parallel, lift up arms and place both of your hands behind your head. Making sure your elbows are pulled back and chest is lifted, bend from your hips and bend your knees, lowering down to a sitting position. Straighten back up and repeat. The prisoner squat is a strength exercise that targets the glutes, quads, and hamstring. The prisoner arm positioning that gives this exercise its name helps to stabilize the muscles in your core as well as your back and shoulders. Next, the second exercise is in and out push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and place your toes on the floor while facing down. Keep your body in a straight line from your shoulders to your feet and keep your abs and butt engaged. Lower yourself by bending your elbows until your chest almost touches the floor. Now forcefully push yourself off the ground, landing in a regular push-up position. Repeat this until the set is complete. Push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the tricep and shoulders. When done with the proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. Now the third exercise is plank jacks. Begin in a plank position with the shoulder over your wrist, your body in one straight line and your feet together. Like the motion of a jumping jack, jump your legs wide and then back together. Now jump up and back down. This is one repetition. The plank jack is a great cardio move. It raises the heart rate while working both your lower and upper body. We are left with the last exercise, which is a single leg bridge. To perform the single leg bridge, lie flat on the floor with your knees bent and your arms by your side. Lift the opposite foot towards the ceiling, holding your knee directly above your hip. To begin, lift your bottom up from the floor by pushing towards your weighted bearing heel. Complete the desired number of repetitions on the other side as well. The single leg bridge exercise is a great way to isolate and strengthen the gluteus, butt muscles, and hamstring back of the upper leg. If you do this exercise correctly, you will also find that it is a very powerful core strengthening technique. वर्कआउट ओवर, डे 12 ख़त्म एंड इसी के साथ प्रोग्राम भी ख़त्म. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, डोंट गिव अप ऑन योर ड्रीम्स और योर ड्रीम्स विल गिव अप ऑन यू. सिर्फ फिटनेस के रिलेटेड नहीं, आपके लाइफ के जो गोल्स हैं, आपके पर्सनल गोल्स, उन पे भी स्टे रहो, तभी यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट्स. एवरीथिंग टेक्स टाइम. सो गेटिंग बैक टू द वर्कआउट, जिन्होंने अभी तक वर्कआउट शुरू नहीं किया वो चैनल से प्लेलिस्ट उठाएं और वर्कआउट को शुरू करें. और जो वर्कआउट मेरे साथ करते आ रहे हैं वो अपने डेली वर्कआउट में ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेस इंक्लूड करें एंड दैट्स इट. और हाँ, जाने से पहले डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन. टर्न ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल फॉर लेटेस्ट अपकमिंग वीडियोज़.